Click on the link below to get price. The Pulsar 7250W super quiet dual fuel inverter generator with remote start is a game changer for anyone in need of reliable power on the go. This generator seamlessly operates on both gasoline and propane, providing flexibility based on availability and preference. The dual fuel capability is a significant advantage, particularly during emergencies or camping trips where resources may be limited. One of the standout features of this generator is its whisper quiet operation, boasting a noise level of just 58 dBA. This makes it perfect for use in residential areas or while enjoying outdoor activities, as it won't disturb your neighbors or the tranquility of nature. The inverter technology ensures that the power produced is clean and stable, making it safe for sensitive electronics, such as smartphones, laptops, and medical devices. The generator's impressive output of 7,250 watts is more than sufficient for most applications, whether you're powering tools at a job site or running essential appliances during a power outage. The inclusion of a remote start feature is particularly convenient, allowing you to start the generator from a distance, which is especially useful in adverse weather conditions. The design is user-friendly, equipped with a digital display that provides real-time information on voltage, frequency, and hour count, making it easy to monitor performance. Its compact and lightweight construction, along with integrated wheels and a telescoping handle, enhances portability, allowing you to transport it effortlessly. However, it's essential to note that while the generator is versatile, its performance may vary based on the fuel you choose to use. Some users have reported that propane operation yields slightly lower wattage output compared to gasoline. Maintenance is straightforward, though regular checks on oil and filters are recommended to ensure longevity. Overall, the Pulsar 7250W super quiet dual fuel inverter generator is a robust, efficient, and quiet power solution suitable for a variety of needs, making it an excellent investment for both casual users and serious outdoor enthusiasts.